Would you like to make an extra $5,000, $10,000, even $20,000 a month helping people? Yes, according to Experian, over 100 million people have less than a 750 plus credit score. So what does that mean for you? If you're looking to help people, you can help people fix their credit, increase their credit score, and help them buy that car, buy that dream house, or get personal funding or business funding for their business. So I'm going to show you how you can start making six figures fixing credit. So with that being said, you already know what time it is. Let's get right into it. What's up, family? I'm back with another one. Hey, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the family. So in today's class, I'm going to show you on how you can start helping people and changing their lives. Yes, a lot of people out here have bad credit, but they need your assistance. They need your guidance. And I'm going to show you on how you can do it and start generating some money by changing people's lives. So with that being said, go grab a pen, go get a paper, go get something to drink, because class is going to be a good one. Before class starts, let me talk to you for a second. Yo, I'm on a big mission to help more people. Yes, I'm currently in the Navy. However, I have a bigger purpose to get my people out of slavery. No, not the old slavery, that 3-digit number slavery, that credit slavery, where it's allowing them to hold them back. And I want to inspire them, I want to educate them, and I want to show them the better way on how they can leverage it and create multiple streams of income every single day. So if you want to be a part of that, if you want to do this, yo, it's time to tap in, because I'm going to show you how you can help more people and how you can educate more people and how you can get them out of that slavery, that credit slavery. Hey, welcome to today's class, right? I'm going to show you how you can start making six figures by helping people fix their credit. So here are some of the things we're going to go over, right? Some of the lessons, right? Step one, we're going to get clarity on how to operate this business, right? Step two, we're going to have the end in mind. Step three, we're going to talk about how to tell your story. Step four, we're going to also talk about how to set up your business properly. And then step five, we're going to talk about how to get more clients and serve them so you can educate them and inspire them, right? Step one, the first thing you want to do is get clarity, right? You got to figure out, how do you want to operate your business? Do you want to be the person that does everything, right? Learn how to dispute, learn how to market, learn how to operate, learn how to hire, do everything, right? Or do you want to be the person that just outsource and delegate everything off rip, right? Outsource the marketing, outsource the customer service, outsource the disputing. You just got to figure out and get clear on how you want to operate and run your business. And once you figure that out, then you can figure out which way you can go into, right? Because some people might not just be inspired and really want to learn how to do everything in the business. Or there's some people that just like, yo, I want to help more people, I want to serve more people. However, my time is valuable and I just don't have the time to do everything. I just rather outsource everything so I can, of course, help more people and make more money at the same time. Step two, right? The end in mind. How much money do we really want to make? So if we're trying to make six figures, we just got to figure out how we're going to get there, reverse engineer our goal. So we're trying to make six figures, right? So how many clients do we need to get to $100,000? So let's just say we're charging our clients $100 per month, right? For the next 12 months, that's what, $1,200. So how many times does $1,200 go into 100,000, right? That's 83.33333, right? So let's just say, let's round it up, 84 clients, right? We just need 84 clients throughout the year and keep 84 clients every single month. That equals to $8,400 for the next 12 months. Then we'll get about, of course, it's gonna be a little bit over $100,000, but we'll make six figures if we just get 84 clients. So it's not hard to get 84 clients. All you have to do is be willing to put in the work. Once you're willing to put in the work, you can get those 84 clients. Then you can get six figures, and then you can do whatever you want. Step three, right? Telling our story, right? So the best testimonial is you. Yes, the best testimonial is you. And let me explain myself. Hey, the best way to get started is by telling your story, right? There's no better testimonial than you. So what you want to do is start posting what you're doing, right? As you're fixing your credit, as you're removing those negative items, you want to start posting that on social media, right? People need to see proof, and the best proof is you. So once you're removing those negative items, if your credit score increased by 10 points, hey, you need to post that. Because what's going to happen is you're creating that track record, you're creating that, you're creating the momentum right now, right? The momentum, you want to have momentum in your business. So you're creating that momentum right now. So you're posting, if your credit score increases by 2 points, hey, put that on Facebook, put that on Instagram, right? Show that you're improving your credit, because people are going to start asking you questions on how you're doing it, right? So you want to start attracting people that needs your services, right? So what you want to do is start posting, yo, my credit score increased this, yo, I removed this charge off, all right, I removed this collection, all right, I removed this bankruptcy off my credit report, all right, I removed this eviction off my credit report, my credit score increased 100 points, right? You want to start posting that every single time things are happening to your credit. Your hard inquiries were removed, right? Yo, I went to the car lot and I got 1,000 hard inquiries. Guess what? I removed those all in 24 to 72 hours. So you want to start posting that every single day, every single week. The more you start posting, the more people are going to start noticing you and start asking you questions on how you did it. And once they start asking you questions, hey, it's time to get them. Step 4, setting up your business, right? So I'm going to show you how to properly structure your credit repair business, because you want to do things a little bit different. But as you're gaining momentum, hey, it's time to set up that business so you can start accepting payments, because people want to start reaching out to you and they want to know how you're doing it, how you got this car, how you got this house, how you got your credit score to the 700. They're going to want to know how you did it. So it's time to set up your business so you can start taking those clients. So you're being consistent on social media, right? You're posting every single day. You're getting that momentum, right? People are going to start saying, congratulations on getting that house. Congratulations on getting that car. Congratulations on getting that 700 plus credit score. However, those same people going to be in your DM asking you, yo, how did you get that house? How did you get that car? How did you get that 700 plus credit score? How did you remove this? How did you do this and that, right? However, it's time to set up your business, because what you want to do is be able to accept those clients, because they're going to ask you, yo, how can you do this for me? How can I sign up with you? So what you want to do now is actually set up your business the correct way. And how you set your business up the correct way is by actually doing a consulting business and not saying you're in credit repair, right? Because banks don't like credit repair companies. So we gotta set it up the right way so we can get funding for our business if we're looking to scale our business, right? So here's how you're gonna do it. First thing you're gonna do is go to the Secretary of State and look up, you're gonna use your initials, or you're gonna use something not ratchet, not crazy, right? Not unprofessional. We're gonna use something that's professional consulting, and we're gonna look it up and we're gonna see if that is available. However, we're not gonna buy it. We're just searching to see if it's available. Now, after we do that, here's what you want to do next. You want to make sure you go to GoDaddy.com. GoDaddy.com and get your domain. You're gonna do whatever your consulting business is. You're gonna go ahead and secure that domain. Now, after you secure that domain, here's what you want to do next. You want to get the 1-800 number. You want to get a professional email, right? You want to get a professional website done. You can do everything on GoDaddy, right? Set up a little something. However, if you can't, then you can go to Fiverr and have them set it up for you. Now, after you get your domain, your email, your professional website looking, something, we don't really care about the website. However, when it's time to get funded, you want to have that ready and done. So set everything up. Now, after you do that, you want to get an actual virtual address, right? You don't want to have your home address, because you don't want nobody looking up your information and finding out where you live. So get a virtual address. Now, after you have all that, now it's time to secure an LLC, right? Now it's time to purchase your LLC. Now, after you get your LLC, you want to get your EIN number. Now, after you get your EIN number, now it's time to go open up a business account. It's time to be in business, right? So after you get your business account, here's what you want to do next, right? You want to go to Chase or Navy Federal or US Bank, depending on where you are, is we'll go ahead and set up a business account. Navy Federal is most likely everywhere. However, some people can't get Navy Federal, so US Bank is a good bank to do business with. Also, another good bank to do business with is with Chase, right? They're very lenient. You can set up a bank account with them. Now, after you do those two, now it's time to actually accept payments. Now it's time to actually set up things. I'm gonna show you in tomorrow's video, right? In the next video, on how to actually set up and accept clients so you can actually take payments. But we're not worrying about a merchant account, because I don't want you to start spending money without actually getting money first. We need to get the money first, and then do the freeway stuff first, and then actually set up the merchant account get the credit repair software, get the software, get all the things that we need to actually make our business much more easier to actually do, right? However, we're gonna go ahead and do the easier way, right? The freer way, not freer, but the free way to actually get us clients first, get us clients in the door first, and then use that money to actually buy the things that we need, and then, you know, scale it up from there. Step 5, how to get clients. So if you're just starting, right, I'm gonna talk about the best platform if you're just starting to get clients, right? However, in part 2, I'm gonna show you what to say so you can attract more clients, so you can get those 83 or 84 clients that you need to go ahead and start making 6 figures, right? So how to get clients. The best platform right now, if you're on Facebook and if you're on Instagram, those two are the best 2 platforms to be on, right? If you're mostly on Facebook, you want to use Facebook because guess what? That's your warmer audience. People are more likely to do business with you because they know who you are, they trust you, they already been, you know, experienced with you, they already done certain type of things with you, right? So they're most likely to go ahead and sign up with you if you're using Facebook, right? Same thing with Instagram. If you're always on Instagram, the same thing. The more that you post, the more that you continue to be consistent and showing people what you're doing, most likely people are gonna reach out into your DM and ask you, yo, how do I sign up with you? How can I do this? How can I do that? Can you show me, all right? So you can charge them for showing them, or you can charge them for signing up. So this is how you're gonna be able to get clients, right? But in part 2, I'm gonna show you how to do it more because, you know, I just don't talk, I actually show it. And then show you how to do it, what to say, how to post, what to post. I'm gonna show you everything that you need to know so you can go ahead and start making and getting those 84 clients so you can get that 6 figures, right? So, see you in part 2.